Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you installation of Eclipse IDE on Windows machine. Also guys, I will be showing you how to create and run first Java program using Eclipse IDE. So let's start the video. Guys, before installing Eclipse IDE, you should install Java in your PC. So I'm already having Java in my PC. I have created separate video for that. I have given link in description box, as well as you can click on I button for installing Java JDK. So guys, now let me show you how to install Eclipse on your system. So guys, you can open any of your favorite browser and just search for Eclipse download. And guys, here you can see the official website eclipse.org. You need to just click on this Eclipse download link. So guys, it will redirect you to downloads page of Eclipse, and here you can just scroll down, and here there is a button download x86_64. You need to just click on this button. So guys, it will redirect you to another page. Here you need to click on this download button, and now guys, you can see the download has been started. And guys, you can see my download is done. Now to install this Eclipse IDE, I will click on this exe. Let me minimize my browser. So guys, you can see my Eclipse installer is started now, and here guys, you can see it's showing me different products available for Eclipse. So we have Eclipse IDE for Java, Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java or Web Application, C, C++, PHP. You can scroll and see, and depending on your requirement, you can install. I'm showing you for Java application, so I will be installing Eclipse IDE for Java developer. Okay, so now just select that, and guys, here you can see it has already detected my JDK. So guys, before installing Eclipse IDE, you should install Java. Okay, so installation link for Java I have given in description, and this is the installation folder for Eclipse IDE. Okay, so if you wish to change, you can click on this folder button and change. And guys, these are the two options. Create start menu entry, so Eclipse will be added to start menu, and a shortcut will be created on desktop, right? So now I'm going to click on this install button. Guys, here it is asking me license and agreement button. I'm going to click on accept now button. And now guys, my installation has been started. See, my installation is done. Here it is showing me installation completed, and guys, here you can see icon is created on desktop. Okay, so now guys, I'm going to click on this launch button. So guys, here it is asking me workspace directory. So workspace is what where your development artifacts will be stored. It means your Java file, output file, folders, all will be stored. So by default, it is taking this option C:\user admin Eclipse workspace. If you wish to change, you can click on this browse button and change. I'm clicking on default, and I'm clicking on this launch button. Okay, so guys, you can see my Eclipse IDE has been started, and this is the welcome screen. Let me close this welcome screen, and let me close other things also. So now guys, here I will be creating a new Java project. So for that, you need to go to file menu, and here you need to select new option and then Java project, right? And now here we need to provide certain details related to project. So we need to give a project name. So here I'm giving my project name as demo project. And now guys, here it's showing me use default location. So you can see it's showing me my workspace directory, along with that slash then demo project. So a folder is created inside my workspace directory, and inside that it will be same. If you wish to change, you can just uncheck this use default location, and you can browse some other location also where you want to store this. And now under this JRE, you have to select use a project specific JRE, and guys, here you can see it's showing me JDK 21, right? And now guys, here in module, I'm just unchecking create module info.java. I don't need this right now. I'm creating simple application. And now here guys, you can see it's showing me something like my project name, under that SRC, and here is my output folder. So you don't need to do anything over here. Just click on this finish button. So guys, you can see my project has been created. Here you can see this is my project directory. Under that we have a JRE, okay, and under that we have SRC. Right now SRC is blank, so we will create one class inside it. So just right click on this SRC and select the option new, and here select the option class. Okay, so now here provide the class name. So here I'm giving class name as hello world, and then guys you can provide package name. This is optional. If you wish to provide, you can, otherwise you can omit. So I'm giving package name as CS corner, and here my modifier is what? Public modifier, right? Okay. And then guys, here in this option, that is which method you would like to add, I'm selecting this public static void main. So what will happen in my hello world class, this method will be added, public static void main method will be added, right? So just click on this finish button. Okay, you can see my hello world.java file has been created under my src directory, and here you can see this is my code. First line is package CS corner, so my program is inside CS corner package, so it's showing the first line, and here is my class, and here I'm having public static void main method. So I'm erasing this comment, and here I'm going to write sys out because I want to print a simple message. So sys out, and just hit control space. So you can see system.out.println has been generated, and inside this guys in double quotes I'm going to write thanks for watching. So done guys, my code is completed. I'm going to just save it, so you can click on this save button or save all button. So guys, now it's time to run your program, so let's run it. You can click on this play button to run your program. So let me just click it, and guys you can see I'm getting my output thanks for watching. So that is the expected output, and guys you can see I'm using JDK21 over here. So I hope guys by following my video you are able to successfully install Eclipse IDE on your system, and you are able to run your first Java application. So guys, if really my video has helped you, then don't forget to hit on like button, and if you have any kind of query you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. And guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. And guys, if you want free PDF and notes related to computer science and IT, you can join my Telegram channel. I've given link of my all social media in description box. You can follow me through there. Thank you guys for watching my video till end. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care and keep learning guys.